everyone, welcome back to Out on a Limb with Kim. I am currently at Enchanted Oaks Farm in Ocala, Florida. I am staying the night tonight in the cutest little mint green vintage camper, and I'm on a farm. So there are lots of animals. I can see a zebra from here. I cannot wait to go over and feed him. But right now, a worker here is mowing the entire field here. So while he's mowing, of course, it's stirring up, dust and mosquitoes. So I'm letting that calm down a little bit. I did go in and look. So let me show you when I first got here, just some film from like when I first opened the door. All right, so let's walk up. Oh my God, it's cold. Ooh, it's nice and cold. All right, it's got a little tiny sofa. Fridge, not much of an ice machine. It's got a little fridge. It's got some cabinets. So this is where I'm sleeping right here. Has an air conditioning unit. Little window there. Little window there. Seems to be okay. Let's sit down here. Let's take a sit right here first. Some storage under there. Okay. Little fake plant. Too sure about this door, but we'll get used to it. I'm not going to bring my stuff in yet. So I'm going to say my first impressions, like on the outside was, all right, it looks like an old camper, maybe needs a little bit of paint. And then I went in and it was cute, it was quaint, it was small. It's not supposed to be like a hotel. You got a bed, you got a refrigerator. Freezer was like, I couldn't put any ice cream in there, but that's okay. Who needs a freezer? So I checked everything out. There's no bathroom, so I will have to walk away to get to the restroom, or I'm going to take my stuff in. Maybe I'll take my potty in. But as I'm looking around, I'm seeing why this place is rated so high. So you can't come to a farm like this with farm animals and expect to have 2023 top of the line RVs. That's stupid. This is like country. It's vintage. There's old stuff here, and that's, I think, what makes it so appealing. And the more I walked around and looked at the outside of the camper, it's adorable. So I'm going to take my comforter in and my pillows and probably just lay on top. Nothing against theirs, but more comfortable with mine. And the air is just really pumping in there, so I think I'm really going to be able to sleep nice. So I am getting ready to go look at some animals. I'm waiting for my friend to get here. My friend. All right, it's Heather. Okay, I'm waiting for Heather. I'm always waiting for Heather. Heather's on her way. So she's staying in a little Hobbit House. So she's going to do a video, so I'm sure hers is going to be awesome. So you'll have to, make sure you go over to Heather's Hikes at Ventures and check out her video. She is staying in the cute little Hobbit House, which means when she's in her house, she can open up her little window and feed the animals right from her window. Okay, So while I wait for Heather, I'm going to walk over to the little zoo and I'm going to look around. And so, well, let's just go on over. Let's go right now. Oh, guys, it's a petting area. So this is a little Hobbit House. Look at the Hobbit House. Oh my God. All right, that's adorable. Oh, there's 3. So there's one with a green door. There's that big A-frame. Well, they're all A-frame. And then there's one back there. So there's 3. And I saw a zebra. Let's go look at the zebra. So this is a big piece of property. Big, nice farm. You guys know I love my farm animals. Do you guys see any ducks? I don't see any ducks yet. Caution, I bite. Pet and feed at my own risk. There's a little petting area right there. So you go in there and pet what? What's in there? Okay. Look at the zebra. Look, he's looking right at me. I have carrots, buddy, but they're in the car. You'll have to wait, okay? I'm not even exactly sure how I feel about all the animals here because they do not look. I mean, he looks okay, doesn't he? Yeah, the zebra looks okay. This llama over here does not look happy at all. This llama needs a friend. Sunny and Beauty. So there's supposed to be 2 in there. I only see 1. Oh my gosh, did he lose his friend? See, look. Guys. Oh my God, he's all by himself. Hi, little dude. Do you have a friend? Oh, he just shook his head now. Look at the horse. Don't come over here. I don't have any food. Don't come over here. I don't have any food. Pony boy, I don't have any food. I'm so sorry. I don't have. It's back at the car. You're a cute little thing, though. I'm not going to pet you. No, I'm not going to pet you. Oh God. Okay, here comes your kid. Hi. Are you waiting for me to pet you? Okay. No, I don't think I'm going to pet you guys. I'm scared of you. Let's go. Not used to people just walking right by, are you? So far, I am disappointed because there's no chickens. I see absolutely no chickens. And what is this? What is that right there? I don't know what that is. Is that a playground? That is a playground in there that needs definite work. Yeah, they need to do some work to that playground right there. Look at this. Look, guys. It's not the sea, it's not the ocean, but it's really a pretty view. I might just go in the camper and do some editing. I've already got my fill of animals. I mean, they only have 3. Look how beautiful the blue sky with the green is. That's gorgeous. Trees are pretty. Why don't I shut up? Alright, I'm getting bit. Alright. I'm getting back to the car. I'm done. Not sure who lives in that little barn looking house right there. Or if there's somebody. Oh, there's more A-frames over there. See them way over there? Look. Huh. Well, guys, I have a feeling I'm gonna be bored to death here. So we got a llama. I'm pretty sure that is a llama right back there, yeah. A little horse, and oh, he's a boy. Oh my God, it's a boy. And then this little pony thing right here. Oh my God, I just see a goat. This changes everything. The zebra can stay back there. So if Heather is going to stay in one of these little Hobbit houses right here, there's one right there, and one right there. That means that if she's in there and that donkey takes a crap right outside her window, oh, Heather. Okay. There's the goat. Okay. So this is what they're calling the petting zoo. One goat. Hi. I'll be back later, okay? Look, a goat. They have a petting zoo. And one goat. Hi, goat. Huh. Where's the chickens? Where's the roosters? Hi. Oh my God. That thing on your head's broken. Okay. I'm done. I'm gonna get my money back. All right. This would be a really good place for a meetup. Everybody could park out here in the open like this. This will be pretty cool. All right, let's go sit in the car since I'm getting bit. Somebody's staying in that apartment right there upstairs. But they have their own bathroom. I wonder where the bathrooms are. I've been here 10 minutes. Heather's gonna pull up. I'm gonna say, hey Heather, I'm done. Let's go to Outback. All right, let's take a walk back here. See if there's anything back here. So I guess, oh look guys, this is where they have parties. They have a little bar here, a little dance floor. Son of a bitch. Do you see it, guys? Let me show it to you. Oh my God. I hate this place. Oh God, I can't even walk in there. Ew. Oh, I can't go through there. All right. I gotta walk. Okay, so this is like a dance floor. I gotta keep an eye out now for spider webs. I don't know what that is in there. It's like a party place. Of course, I can't go in because it's probably one big gigantic web. I can't go through that little area right there because there's probably something there too. Okay, this is cute though. Oh my God, I'm sick to my stomach, that spider. Oh my God, I just want to get in the camper and go to sleep. Ew, ew. Alright, let's get in. Oh, ew. Oh God. Okay. All right, let's take another look. Oh my God. I know. I'm like freaking out over spiders because they're going to be all up there and they're going to be dropping on the top of that camper. Please come into my world. All right. So here is an electrical outlet. Okay, this is good because I'm going to need this for my laptop. Okay, that was not open before. All right, there's a ghost in here. Okay. Okay, so I have an outlet there, extension cord here. Okay, let's check the windows. Make sure there's no spiders. See any? I don't see any. Okay. All right. There's a little teeny window. I can't see much in there, but this is a sheet. That's okay. That's all right. Let's sit down on the bed here. Put that there. And just sit here. So here I am in the vintage camper. And I'm going to be staying here tonight. And I just realized that how much it cost for one night here. I couldn't stay in the campground for 7 days. Oh my God. Oh. That's okay. This is cute. This is adorable. Okay, I don't see any spiders. There's no mirror in here. Okay. I'm trying to get pictures for thumbnails. Alright, this is about the cutest little air conditioning unit I've ever seen. I gotta say, guys, this is the perfect size for me to pool. I would do a bed. I actually like the way this is set up. So this is what the bed looks like before. And this is after. My comforter, my pillows, and my blanket. So my bed's all made. That's where I'm sleeping tonight. Nice air conditioning blowing right on top of my head, just the way I like it. There is my laptop. Here's a little fan. There's everything I need. Jammies, you name it's in there. Got my ice with water. Got my cup. All right, now we're gonna go out here and see if we can find the restroom. There's nowhere in here for me to potty. Okay, that may be the restroom right there. Let's go check it out. All right, that's the bridal suite. All right, let's go up on the dance floor. Ooh. There they are. Why do I have the feeling these bathrooms are going to scare the crap out of me? What do you guys think? Restroom, shower for your convenience. Oh my God, there's no way I'm using that bathroom. Nice little area right there to sit out. Okay, not using it. Okay, not using the bathroom there. Oh no, 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 not with the spiders. No, 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 no. So let's get in here and got my potty. Now I need my toilet paper. How do I get my toilet paper off of that? I'll be right back. Okay, so I brought my potty, toilet paper, and bags in from the car because I will not use the bathrooms here because they're spider infested. Okay, so that's how it goes. Okay, let's go feed the zebra. Zippy. Zippy, look. Look what I got. It's a really cool carrot. You want a carrot? Come on, you're cuter than the goats. You better hurry up. Hurry up. Zippy. Come on, Zip. Here, Zippy. There. Oh, it's a good boy. Whoa, Jesus. Oh, well, okay. All right, we're going to get... Whoa! Okay, you're next. And then you're next. Good job. You want another one? Zippy wants another one. Oh, wait. Zippy, did you just try to take it from him? All right, let's get those little things right there, whatever they're called right there. Horses. Hey, horses. Horsies. Come here, horsies. Oh, crap, where'd they come from? They weren't here earlier. Oh. Mr. Llama? Do you want this? You want this? Yeah, come on. Come on. You're such a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. You're a horse. Yes, you are. You're a horse. Don't bite me. Here. 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 Don't bite me. All right, wait. Let me get it. Let me get it. It's all dirty, though. Okay? It's gross. It's all dirty. It's dirty. Okay. All right. I don't like your teeth. Oh. What is this? Is this a cow? Oh, it's a cow. It's a little moo cow. Hi, moo cow. What's this? Okay. Be a good cow. Don't bite me. There you go. Oh, you stupid. You got it? There you go. Get it. Get it. Oh, my. You scared the cow away. You scared the cow away. I'm coming back. Here you go. What the F is wrong with you? You weird. Oh. Oh. You're greedy. Oh, God, it's disgusting. It's so disgusting. Okay, let's go back down here. Here's one right here. Come here. Here's one. I'm not even going to tell you how dirty it is. Right there. There's right there. There you go. Okay. Oh my God, let's go back to the zebra. Whew. Farm animals are so gross. Okay. All right. Oh, it's in my hand. I don't know what the heck this thing is. Okay, want another one? You're a good boy. Okay. Hurry up before... Oh! I'm trying. Oh! Okay. That's disgusting. Whew. You guys want another one? Come here. Come on. Okay, he's a good boy. This for yours. Hurry up. Okay. Oh, God. Damn it. All right, you get that one. You get this one. And you get this one. Okay. There, that's disgusting. Ugh. Oh my God, look at that one. It's got a weird head. Hurry up, here comes the zebra. Hurry up. Hurry up. Get it. Are you gonna take all their food? Oh God, your teeth are gross. Okay. All right. That's enough. That's enough. I don't got any more. I don't have any more food. It wasn't as fun as I thought it would be. Knowing that you guys bite, it kind of takes the cool right out of it. All right, let's go over and see how Heather's doing. What? Oh, baby, I know. I don't have any more. And there's Heather's little A-frame right there. Hello, is Frodo home? Frodo Baggins? Are you in there? Oh dear Lord, she's not even home. All right, let's go find her. Okay. All right, let's go in. Scary looking eyeballs. Oh, there. Scratch, scratch. That's what I do for the dogs in the neighborhood. Oh, check out. Oh, look. I think you're scaring me a little bit. Oh, look at this, like a mohawk. Okay. Go away. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hi, kitty cat. Hi. Hi. Are you a farm animal too? You want to go in? Oh, look. Gosh, she's pretty.
Anyone's so chill and friendly.
Damn. Oh, God. I just got hit by a zebra. I had to come in to take a break because it was just too hot out there. All right. Have to go outside just to warm up. Oh my gosh, it's freezing in there. It feels so good. All right, we are gonna go take a little hike over here. Okay. So we have in the fridge. Carrots for the animals. We are going to get another one of these. This is my breakfast for tomorrow. Bread on. Oh, guacamole. There. Okay. Okay. All right, now we're going to go back into this tiny little vintage camper. my God, Heather needs help. Should I go help her? Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna run. Should I run? Okay, guys, I'm coming, Heather. I'm coming. Heather, I don't know how to run. I can't run. Look at me. What are you? All right, so there's a pregnant goat.
I don't know, she's got a thing, maybe it's their mom.
All right, so Heather's having an issue with goats. They keep getting in her little Hobbit house. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so oh my God, it's so cold in here. So the air conditioner is working very, very well. And so not much going on here. I did a little bit of editing, hanging out in my vintage camper. And I'm gonna go ahead and watch a little bit of TV, and then I'm gonna go to bed. It's not even 9 o'clock yet, but I'm exhausted. So I had to corral up a goat. Goat got loose. Actually, it got loose and jumped into Heather's bed up in her little Hobbit house that she's staying up inside up there. Heather from Heather's Hikes and Adventures, way up there. So she was cooking, and I had to run up real quick and help her because she couldn't leave her food. And then there's a beautiful cat. I'll show you a picture. And the cat starts running around and carrying a big mouse in its mouth. So I had to help get the goat and put the goat back in the pen. And it was the mommy goat, and the baby goats were crying for it. So it was just, oh my God, it was like Saturday Night Live. No, it was like Lucy and Ethel. It was one of those skits. That's what it was like. But I'm gonna go watch a little bit of TV, and then I will see you guys in the morning. And keep your fingers crossed that I have a good night, because I'm a little scared, because I am out in the middle of nowhere. All right. Jeez, can't believe I'm doing this. All right, see you guys later. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm leaving my little vintage camper. It's a very adorable, cute little stay. It's a lot I would do, but that's okay. It was very quaint. I had a good time, but now I must go. Okay. Goodbye, little camper. So this is the little blue door Hobbit house. There's my friends back there. There's Mama Goat and the two babies. And there's the zebra. I know, buddy. He pushed me yesterday. So we're going to go into the little Hobbit house here. Waiting for Frodo to come out. Look, guys. Oh my God, it's adorable. Chandelier. Got an air conditioning unit right there. The electric. And you open that door right there, and animals are on the other side. Okay, we have a visitor. Okay. Hi there, kitty cat. You supposed to... Oh, look, he's kneading biscuits. There he goes. Look at this. Very cute. This is adorable. Guys, this is really cute if you just want to bring like a kid with you. The kid would, like your son or daughter would get a kick out of that door being open. All right, buddy. All right, guys, I'm heading out.